Hi, welcome to Don's Workshop. Today I'll be finishing my build of the planet Earth and Moon in orbit. Let's get started. Okay, looks like I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. And need the remaining pieces of the Earth here and this ring. These two rings. Okay. Oh, gonna go bottom here. Gonna have to make sure I do this one right this time. And we have these 4 black pins go on the gray side. Okay. Okay, let's put that there. And we have these red, put 2 red half beams that side. Okay, that's interesting. Got an axle going all the way through to that side and one on the other side sticking out. Okay, and then this black 2 beam. Okay, now we have this gear. Okay, that's together. More blue pins on the black side. And then the 2 gray beams. 2-sided beams. And flip that over. Pins. Okay. And then these pieces here. Like so. Okay, now that is, okay, the gray piece is moving. Then I'm supposed to put that here. Oh, that's right. Okay, now you flip that over. Okay. There we go. And we have to take this. This is to hook everything together. And the other half beam. And that's sticking out over here. And that just go like so. There we go, and then push the axles in. Okay, that will be... Wait a second, no. Is that an impossible? No, that's a very difficult. It's difficult to take apart, but you can, because there's some space here. Not an impossible to take apart. Okay. And an L beam, not the 2-sided L beam. Between, and then we put the 7 beam on. And one of these goes here. And then this 2x. Double pins, 3 beam. T-bar. T-beam. And it goes like that. Into... That just, the blue pins go into the gray. connections there. And then we take another 7-beam and hook everything together. Okay. Put some black pins on this side. Okay, now and there's the other L beam here. Okay, and black pin on the other side. Take this tan axle with the smooth space, and we need the, I think this is the black gear, but I think it's the black gear. Okay, that goes there. And then that's supposed to slide in right there. Okay, so that is, yeah, it's running along that gear. Got the long black axle. And one of the gray gears. Don't know if that's just supposed to sit like that or what, where it's going, so. And we got that, and we're gonna take, we'll go there, and we have the T pin bar. Long blue pin there, and a long blue pin on the other end. Double-sided gray beam. Ooh, 2 white axle pins. They spin a little bit. And that T-bar on the other side. Okay, and now we have axles. So they do spin a little bit. So these axles, a little gear and a big gear. There they go. Okay. And then a axle connector. And that is supposed to flip over, go like this. Oh, that goes this way. Slides over there. Something's supposed to hook tightly to something else? I don't... Just the gears intermesh. As far as I can see, nothing's... Yeah, nothing is tied down yet. And that goes in there to hold that together. And what is this doing? Just saying push it down. Okay, that's about the extent of it. Okay, now we have one of these. Supposed to hook. Oh, I'm supposed to turn this over. Oh, I see. These hook together like this. And then along this one of these gray axles. And that's just supposed to go in there. And then we take one of the rings, one of the gray rings. And they actually go like this over the holes, actually, not through the axle connection piece. Okay, so that sits like that. Another one of these axles is supposed to actually go in there. Now we take a gear, mesh it with the big gear. Okay. Blue gear goes on the other side, mesh with the big gear. I think that's just supposed to hold it in place. And then that goes on top of there to hold, that's to hold that whole thing in place. And a long blue pin to solidify that. Okay, now two of the L's with two-sided L's. Ooh, we gotta put the pins on the inside. Okay. And then, okay, those go on there. On the black connectors here. Like so. Little axle and this 90-degree connector. Always fun here. So we got this 90-degree axle beam. Another 90-degree axle connector. Okay. So that is supposed to, so it says just turn it this way, I guess. And put that on. These are just tricky to get on every time. Those ones specifically. There. That's on now. It says go back this way. And, oh, I gotta put some pins on there, that's why. And some rolling pins. And pins in the rolling pins. Oh, rolling pin on top of there too. Okay. There's a missing rolling pin, but it's not missing for long. Okay, so that goes in there. And that rolling pin goes on there. And we gotta get it in like that. Why they chose to do it that way, I could have put it on the other way. And it's clear. I make interesting choices every so often like that. Okay. Okay, now we got lots of things moving in here. And we got these 4 dishes with the ball joints, or yeah. Ball joint with a, it's an interesting way to do this. Okay, I'll try to get those on. It's got a bar and then it's actually connecting with the stud pin on the other side. Because the stud pin doesn't, oh, it doesn't hold in. Everything's getting held in by that bar and stud pin. It's an interesting choice. Whatever this is a curious piece, these 4. They're kind of like a mini dish with a axle connection. And those go, oh, they're just kind of holding that ring or rotating around that ring, so that ring stays, everything stays in place. Okay, now we're putting the moon stickers on. Let's get the moon stickers. And which way? Okay, so I'm supposed to line that up with the moon in the middle. So this is actually not a bad way to do this. The moon goes in the middle, and I keep it straight. There we go. And then put the no moon on the other side. Come on, gotta get the moon on the axle part. There we go. Moon. Now I need the other two. The waning and waxings. So how do those align? They're just supposed to, oh, that's the wrong one. Right? That's supposed to go, that will go on the other side. Because the line is supposed to go at the bottom. Okay. Need to get that one moon in the middle. I can. Okay, oh man. Okay, let's try to get that in the middle again. Okay. Now that sticker is one that goes on the other side. Okay, can I get that straight-ish? Okay, straight-ish, I guess. Not great. Okay, we're done those. Oh, stickers are done. Okay. Axle connector. Axle and axle connector. And that goes in the middle. Okay, this part. And we have the long axle pins. Oh, so that actually connects like that. Okay, get those in there. There we go. 2 axles on this. And one of these T's and one of these. The same going in the middle. Okay, and then that's going on top here. Don't know if that matters which way. That is supposed to go. I don't know. Oh. Wait a second. Let's go like that. Okay. Gear on top. Okay, we have a white axle pin and this gray gear, and then this articulating joint. This connect this axle, and we're putting that just in there. Okay. Okay, we're just trying to hold something up here. And then we have 2 of those. Why not just show me it's 2 of them? Just because these axles don't like staying in place, so like the front of the Bugatti. Okay. That is going in there. And those 2 pins hook up there and there. Get those on there. Like that. Now we'll put the earth together. Wrong side. There we go. That's good. Pretty nice little earth there. And then that is going on here. Ooh, that's flying. Okay, axle connector. One by one beam there. And this joint. Axle. The pointer. I think. That goes this way. The bar with the moon. We got the little moon. And that goes in the gray. One over there. Oh, that's why they got that there. Okay. What is this now? It goes this way. On this axle. And put that there. And that goes on the front. What is that doing exactly? Oh, it's against that. Oh, the blue the blue gear is actually turning it. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now we gotta take that and hook it in here. So this goes here. Oh, that's what this goes here and that goes there. Okay. Can I get? Oh, this is tricky. This is like the. This is also like the Bugatti. You gotta hook everything together at the same time. Okay. Oh, it's together. And yeah, there it is. Okay. Now we have the L beam. I'm supposed to, I think I'm supposed to push these in, right? So these gotta get pushed in. And then the L beam holds those together. There's 3 pins on this side. And then we're gonna hook the whole thing up. Oh, that goes over here. Can I see that? There we go. Together it goes. Okay. And then the other one of those on that side. And we are done. So there it is, the Technic Planet Earth and Moon Orbit. So there it goes. That is quite a neat little mechanism that they have put together. Working quite well. And of course the next thing I would do is just see if I can... It looks like it's got a connection here that I could actually hook a motor up to, so I'll do that. And if you want to see that along with my review, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.